Where are we going now, guys?
We're going to Lincoln Center.
Yeah, we're going back to Lincoln Center for Rebecca Taylor.
There's so many things about Rebecca Taylor that I like. I think mainly it's just that her clothes are so feminine, but in a very still sexy and sensual way. A lot of times I think when you wear comfortable clothes, they are baggy or bulky and don't make you feel like a woman. And hers do, both allow you to be girly and beautiful, but still feel sexy.